guys, what's up? It's me, Shannon Rodriguez, back in a new video. Today we're going to be using inexpensive products like ColourPop, Wet n Wild, and Milani to create this makeup look right here. Red burgundy. Who doesn't like a red? This lip color, living for it. This palette, which I'm going to mention in the video, is amazing, worth every single penny. I don't remember how much it cost. I will link it down below. But yeah, so let's get started with this video right now. I got this Mario Badescu, it's like skincare water. It smells really good. And I'm gonna use this first. And this is also kind of like a first impressions because a lot of the ColourPop stuff I had to use. I don't think I've ever had anything from ColourPop. I don't think I have anything from ColourPop. Ignore my crazy hair. I did my eyebrows already because my eyebrows aren't Drugstore. They're the Anastasia Brow Wiz. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in 125 Nude Beige. I'm going to be wetting my sponge. I have some breakouts going on around my face right now, so I'm going to teach you guys how I like to conceal them. It's that time of month and my face don't play games. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm finally done with school. If you guys are done with school, if you guys are done with finals, give this video a thumbs up if you're freaking excited for summer. I'm so freaking excited for summer. I'm in summer mode. I can't wait to go see my best friend in Orlando. Moving on to concealer, I'm gonna be using a ColourPop one. It's a little light, but it still works. I need to go a shade higher. So the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and it's in the shade 16, I'm pretty sure. Have you guys tried this one? I really like it so far. I mean, I like the color of it. I don't think it's too light. I think I can go darker though. If you guys hear noises in the background, there's cleaning going on in the house right now. I can't really do anything about it. And I wanted to film the video, so that side blended out really nicely. The coverage is pretty good. I can still kind of see. I haven't slept. I haven't slept in like a week. So that could be the problem with my under eyes right now. But coverage is pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, now I also like to conceal, so I have a little blemish here. I don't know if you guys can see it because the lights are really good at like making me look perfect. I'm not. I have a blemish here. I have a few over here. So I like to take a concealer that's kind of like my skin tone. So I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Glow from LoReal right now. And I just like to place it right on my blemish. You guys are gonna see how many blemishes I got. This one's my biggest one. So I like to put it on my blemish, and then I like to take a brush, not a sponge, because a brush will hold the product more, and you're only gonna be gently tapping right on top to diffuse the color and not take away the coverage. Yo, cat. Psst. What's up? What's up, mama? You want to be featured in the video? No, you don't. Not over there. So you see how I'm like gently, like barely even touching it. Just like that. All your blemishes. From the big one, it really hurts. I like to tap and then I move it in like little circular motions just to make sure that it's buffed out. So that's how I like to cover up my blemishes. If you guys got other ways, comment down below. I like to know. Moving on to setting powder. I have two setting powders that I absolutely love. I have the Maybelline in 03 Banana shade, translucent banana, and then I have the Maybelline Fit Me in 05 Fair. This one's more translucent. This one has a tint to it. For today, I think I'm going to be using this one on the outside of my face, and I'm going to use this one right underneath my eyes. This one really brightens, I feel like, compared to the other one that blurs more than this one. The banana shade from Maybelline really blurs out your imperfections. If you're looking for something that takes away everything, that one is nice. sneeze. My body tricked me. Alright, before I finish my face, I'm just gonna move on to my eyes really fast. For my eyes, guys, I'm gonna be using this ColourPop Yes Please. I'm pretty sure that the palette's called like Cute AF. This is what the palette looks like. It says it's cute as fuck ColourPop. Living for this yellow right here. To set what I just put on, I'm gonna be using this little shade right here. Oh, it's called Bling. I'm just gonna use that all over my lid, all the way to my brow bone. Ignore my eyebrows. I have to get them done. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Ow! Work your eyeshadows in really gently because I just stabbed my eye out and it really freaking hurts. I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here and it's called Champs. These colors blend amazingly. Let me tell you guys. And I'm gonna be putting that right up here. And these colors, from the look of it, they're a little bit powdery, which I don't mind. I don't really mind powder in my products as long as they blend out. As long as they do their job, it's okay. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Those little hairs on my eyebrows are really pissing me off. It's okay. Any of the, like, you guys animals just think they run the house? Like, you say no and they're like, who are you talking to? And I feel like our animals are like that. Okay, right beneath that color, I'm gonna be going in with this color right here that's called Louie. It's okay if it gets on the lid, because either way I want to put an even darker color on the lid, so it's not a big deal. It is not a big deal. I'm going to be placing this color right here, which is called Butter Cake. And I'm going to be placing this on the lid. I'm going to try not to touch the inner corner right here because I want to put, I think I'm going to put in yellow there. Okay, once you pack that color on, and as you can see, I'm tapping the color in. Just take whatever brush you were using before. Take this one. And just clean out those edges and make sure that they are seamless and everything looks coherent. Kind of like an ombre effect. Now for the inner corners, I'm gonna put in this yellow color right here, and then I'm gonna place this kind of orange color right on top. So this one is called French Kiss and this one is called Note to Self. And then I might even add a little smidgen of this color right here, which I think is called Spoiled. I'm gonna go in with the second color and just plop it right on top. And then I'm gonna plop that third color right on top of that one. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna be using this color, and this color all mixed into one. And I'm just gonna plop that on the lower lash line. Okay, so that's the eye look. I'm just gonna add a really thin line right here just for the band. So just whatever eyeliner works. This one is the, I think, Maybelline Curvitude. I'm making a tiny, tiny line. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash Contour Triple Push-Up Collection, and these right here. Okay, eyes are now done. The next product I'm going to be using is a bronzer. It's from ColourPop also. It looks like this. It's called In It to Win It. It's this color, and then they gave me this little package. So these are magnetic, and you just put them in there. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this to bronze my face. Another tip, try to keep your bronzer and your highlights and all that away from any blemishes that you may have, because they could just accentuate them. And since you already did such a good covering them, you don't want to accentuate them at the end. For blush, I didn't have a new blush, so I'm going to be using the one that I know I already like, which is the Milani Rose de Oro. Moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using my trusty Wet n Wild in Mega Glow. Looks like so. Okay, so my face is now all highlighted. My makeup is done. I'm going to be going in to my lips now. For my lips, I have two different products. They're both from ColourPop. One of them is a Lippie pencil, and it's actually the I Love Sahara and ColourPop collaboration. I didn't know that when I bought it, so cool. I watch her, she's cool. And then I have a Lippie stick in this blue packaging, which I freaking love. It has like a butterfly on it. Okay, so this one is 951. This is the Lippie pencil. And now for the Lippie stick. And this is in the shade Ink Blot. So I'm first gonna line my lips. I kind of filled it in, but not completely. And now I'm gonna use the Lippie stick right on top of this one. Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here. I think it's so pretty. We used a lot of inexpensive products. I don't think that I used anything more expensive than maybe $15. I kind of forgot to do a spray, so I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu. I thought that... Anyway, so this is the finished look. We used really inexpensive products. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!